The Multiwash Pro machines requires daily maintenance as specified in this video to maximise their life and avoid damage. If problems occur with your machine, undertake the basic troubleshooting checks explained in this video before contacting your service agent for further assistance. Where indicated, please ensure you unplug the machine before carrying out any maintenance. After use, remove the hose from the solution tank and remove the tank. Rinse out the solution tank with clean water to remove dirt and sediment. Replace the solution tank onto the machine and reconnect the hose. Fill the solution tank with clean water and use the machine to flush through any remaining sediment. Empty and rinse both the recovery and solution tanks. Then secure the solution tank back onto the machine and place the recovery tank to one side. Unplug the machine from the plug socket outlet and wrap the supply cord around the cable winder, ensuring the plug is not trailing on the floor. Check for any damage to the supply cord whilst doing so. Take one brush off the machine by removing the brush rod. Lay the machine on its side and turn the brush to rotate the drum. Whilst doing this, wipe the drum. Clean and wipe the rest of the machine. Rinse both brushes, checking regularly for any wear and tear, and replace onto the machine. There is a brush indicator to show when brushes are due for replacement. If replacement is required, both brushes should be replaced at the same time. Replace the recovery tank. Set your machine to transport mode. Store the machine in a dry indoor area only. Check the supply cord and fuse for damage. Plug the machine into another socket outlet. Check the machine is in working mode. Press the motor overload reset button. If the machine still doesn't start, check if the machine lowers to the floor when the handle is lowered. If you're still experiencing problems, please contact your local service agent. If your machine does not pick up water, check the recovery tank is fitted correctly and for signs of damage on the blade or broken lugs. Check the brush height and check the brushes for wear and damage. The indicator will show you if the brushes need replacing. Unplug the machine. Check the drum is turning. If you're still experiencing problems, please contact your local service agent. If your machine is not discharging any water, press the solution discharge button. Does your machine sound like this? If it does sound like this, it means there is no water getting to the pump. Check there is water in the solution tank and the tank is fitted correctly. Check the hose connection is correctly fitted into the solution tank. If your machine doesn't sound like this, it means there is water getting to the pump. Check the nozzle for damage or blockage. Clean and soak overnight using a descaling product. If you're still experiencing problems, please contact your local service agent. If the spray pattern is uneven, check the nozzle for damage or blockage. Clean and soak overnight using a descaling product. If you're still experiencing problems, please contact your local service agent. If the machine only sprays when the handle is in an upright position, check all the handle bolts are tightened correctly. Check the pull cable is fitted correctly. If you're still experiencing problems, please contact your local service agent. If solution is leaking from the solution tank, check all the handle bolts are tightened correctly. Take the tank off the machine to see if it leaks from the bottom of the tank. Check the hose connection is fitted correctly to the solution tank and for signs of damage. Check the hose for any signs of damage. Ensure it is securely attached to the solution tank. If you're still experiencing problems, please contact your local service agent. If the machine jumps or bounces, check the brushes for flat areas. Brushes can be soaked in hot water, which may return bristles to their normal shape. Alternatively, try installing a new pair of brushes. If you need further assistance, please contact your local service agent or email service@truvox.com.